I'm Sophia Schur, a technical marketing engineer at Infoblox. Today, we are here to talk about some of the new features for the NIOS 8.6.0 release. This release features Outbound API notification rule support for deleting DNS zones, records, and discovery data. Let's get an overview of the Infoblox Outbound API and ecosystem integration. The Infoblox Outbound API allows for increased visibility into a network by automating and syncing IPAM data changes with outside applications. It empowers a team's ability to remediate and respond to security threats without direct intervention, saving valuable time and resources. The Outbound API works by responding to events based on configured notification rules. When data is inserted, changed, or removed in the NIOS grid, NIOS responds accordingly based on these rules and executes the corresponding templates. NIOS 8.6.0 features the ability for the Outbound API to respond to deleting DNS records, DNS zones, and discovery data. In earlier versions of NIOS, you were always able to delete these objects from the grid. This update features the ability for the Outbound API to respond to these delete events. It is critical that IPAM and DNS data integrated with outside applications is up to date and synced to maximize visibility and security remediation, and this includes removing data that's become unnecessary, cluttering, or otherwise no longer desired. Let's demonstrate the new delete notifications in action with the DNS zone. For better visualization, an outbound endpoint has been configured to point to the Blox1 Cloud Services Portal, or CSP for short. A notification rule for DNS zones and an appropriate template containing the API calls have also been created for this demo. We will delete a DNS forward zone from NIOS and then observe that the zone is also removed from the CSP in order to demonstrate that the new notification is indeed being triggered by the delete event. Keep in mind that this is a demonstration only for deleting a DNS zone. The NIOS 8.6.0 release features the same notification rule support for deleting DNS records and discovery data. Let's take a look at our Infoblox NIOS grid. Note here it has been upgraded to NIOS 8.6.0. Now let's move to data management, DNS, and zones. A DNS forward zone called Demo Zone has been created. If we move now to the CSP, you can see that this zone has also been created here via an outbound REST API call inside a template. This occurred off-screen when the demo zone was initially created in NIOS. Let's move back to our grid. We will delete the zone now. If we move back to the CSP and refresh the page, observe that the zone, Demo Zone, has been deleted. This demonstrates that the notification rule has indeed been triggered by the DNS zone delete event, and the template containing the API call to delete the zone from the CSP has been executed. That wraps up this demo video. Stay tuned for more videos highlighting NIOS 8.6.0 features.